Hello, brother and sister. My name is Rifki Nurfadila Kosasi from Business Administration, FISIP, Universitas Pajajaran. I want to tell you PDB Triangle. PDB Triangle in positioning, differentiation, and brand. Positioning in targeting, segmenting, and the line strategy. About the model, the STP model consists of the 3 steps that help you always your operating, and the way you communicate is the benefit and value to specific groups. STP and stand for 1 step, segmenting your market. 2 step, targeting your best customer. 3 step, positioning your offering. This model is useful because it helps you identify your most valuable types of customer, and then develop product and marketing message that ideally suit them. This allows you to arrive with each group better. Personally, your message and sell much more of your product. How to applying the STP model? Step 1. Segment your market. Your organization, product, or brand can be all thing to all people. This is why you need to use market segment to divide your customer into group of people with convenient characteristic and needs. This allows you to tailor your approach to meet each group need, cost, effectivity, and this gives you a hug average over competitor who use a one-size-fits-all approach. There are different ways to segment your targeting markets. For example, you can use the following approach. Number 1, demographic. It's by personal attributes such as age, material status, gender, sexuality, education. Number 2, geographic. Example, the Agoda is an online travel agency that organization worldwide adventure vacation. It has split its customer into three segments because it too costly to create different uh, packages for more groups. Uh, Number one segment is made up to young mermaid people who are primarily in, interpreted in affordable, eco-friendly vacation, exotic location. Number two, segment B consist consistent of middle class families who want safe, family friendly vacation package package that make it easy the fun to travel with children. Number three, segment C com, comprise upscale Ramirez who are looking for stylish and luxurious vacation in well-known locations such as Farah. Step 2. Target your best customer. Next, your decide which segment to target by finding the most attractive ones. There there are several factors to consider here. First, look at the fruitability of each segment, which customer group con- contribute contributes most your bottom line. Second, always the size and potential growth of each customer group. It is it large enough to be worth addressing. Is steady growth possible, and how does it compare with the other segment? Make sure that you want to be reducing reference by shifting your focus to be a niche market that's too small. Last, think careful carefully about how well your organization can service this market. For example, are these are are there any legal, technological, or social barriers that could have you an impact? Conduct a pest analysis to understand the opportunities and uh, triage that may be after out segment. Step 3. Position your offering. This is last step. Your goal is to identify how you how to want to position your product to target the most valuable customer segment. Then you can select two marketing mix that will be most effective for each of them. First, consider why customer should purchase your product uh, uh, rather than choose of competitor. Do this by identifying your unique unique selling position and draw a position map to understand how earth segment fragments your product, brand, or service. This will help you determine how best to position your offering. Next, look at the wants and needs of each segment of the problem that your product uh, solves for these people. Create a value position that uh, ear- earthy example how your offering will meet this uh, better than any your competitor products, and then develop a marketing campaign that present this value position in a way that your edu- audience will appre- appreciate. Key points. This STP model help you position a product your service to target different group of customer more officiality. This three-step approach help you quality zoom in on the most positable so that you can fully exploit the opportunity chase after. Next, uh, in PDB triangle. In PDB triangle, differentiation from the green line. Um, Differentiation, marketing mix, selling. Differentiation, making combination the best attribute of under un, undifferentiated marketing and content marketing. It applies to two or more dis, distinct market segment with a different marketing plan for chats. Typically, differentiated marketing creates more total sales than undifferentiated marketing, but it also in raises the cost of doing business. Differentiated marketing, also called as multi-segment marketing, is where in a company attempt to appeal to or more clearly defined market segment with a specific product and unique marketing strategy tailored to catch separate segment. The 4P of marketing is a model for enhancing the component of your marketing mix. The way in the way you take a new product or service to market. It helps you to define your marketing options in terms of price, product, promotion, and place, so that your offering meets a specific customer need or demands. The marketing mix and the 4P of marketing are often used as synonyms for one another. In fact, they are not necessarily the same thing. Marketing mix is a general phrase used to describe the defined kinds of choice organizations have to make in the whole process of bringing a product or service to market. The 4P is one way, probably the best known way of defining the marketing mix, and was first expressed in 116 by E.G. Carpenter. The 4P are: number one, product or service; number two, place. Number 3, price. Number 4, promotion. A good way to understand the 4P is by the question that you need to ask to define your marketing mix. Here are some questions that will help you understand and define charts of your elements. P number 1 is product. Is the process of promotion and selling a product to an audience. Product marketing as opposite to product management deals with more outbound marketing or customer fetching text in the other sense of the phrase. For example, product management deal with the basic of product development with him or firm, whereas product marketing deal with marketing the product to prospect, customer, and other. Product marketing as a job function within a firm. Also, defense from other marketing jobs such as marketing communication. A product marketing is something that is referred to when pitching a new product to the general public. Product market differentiation focus on a narrow statement. The product type, customer needs, functional needs, customer type, and geographic area. The P number 2 is place. Marketing place has a number of names. Place is also known as channel, distribution, or intermediary. It is the Chinese through which good and or service are moved from the manufacturer service provider to the user or customer. So let's take a look at some basic distribution or channel decisions and how we decide on the best distribution channel for our product or service. P number 3 is price. In terms of the marketing mix, some would say that preaching is the less attractive element. Marketing campaigns should really focus on generating as high margin as possible. The argument is that the marketing should change product. Place of promotion is some way before resorting to preaching reduction. However, price is a versatile element of the mix, as we will see. Is the marketing term used to describe a marketing communication activities and includes personal selling, sales promotion, public relation, direct marketing, trade fairs and exhibition, advertising and sponsorship. Promotion needs to be precisely coordinated and integrate into the business global communication mission. And this is a called integration marketing communication, EMC integrates the message talk, the available channel to deliver a consistent and clear message about your company's brand, product, and service. The 4P of marketing is just one of many lists that have been developed over the years. And with the question we have listed above are key. They are just a subset of the detailed probing that may be required to optimize your marketing addiction in the 3 in the main marketing mix is by 4P plus 3P. The 3P is people. People are the most important element of any service or experience. Service tend to be product and the customer at the same moment. An aspect of the customer experience are uh, altered to meet individual needs of the person consumption. It most of us can think of a solution there where the personal service offered by individuals has made of trained tour vacation of restaurant meal. Remember, people buy from people that they like. So the attitude, skill, and approach of all staff need to be first class. People have an important role in service delivery. They are realists. You want to deliver and maintain traditional marketing, and people play an important part in the customer relation. P number 2, process. In other element of the service marketing mix or 7P, there is a number of perfection of the compact of process within the business and marketing literature. Some see process as a means to achieve achieve an outcome. For example, to achieve a 13% market share, a company implements a marketing planning process. And last, 3P is physical evidence. As a known are largely intangible than marketing. However, customer then to rely on physical cues to help them evaluate the product before they buy it. Therefore, marketing develop that we call physical evidence to replace this physical cues in the service. The rules of the marketer is the design in implements so tangible evidence. Physical evidence is the material part of a service. PDB triangle last tactic green line is selling. Selling is a marketing function that involves determining client needs and wants and responding to planned personalized communication that influence forecast the des, the destinations and enhances future business opportunities. This is several keywords in the definition of selling. Selling is planned communication. Planned communication does not mean you are reading of a split. Instead, in it mean you have spent some time learning about its utility. Selling its utility or usefulness to products. Through selling, products can be in the right place at the right times. Skilled sales people aid in developing utility for their product by creating customer desire. They attempt to sell not only a swivel but also the customer try on a street and that match the swivel will pointing out the features and the benefit of being a customer determine needs by providing opportunities for two-way communication between customer and salespeople. Selling enable customer to receive help with their buying problem. In this way, customer can determine their needs and can select products that are right for them. Creates desire for products. Skilled salespeople can create this desire for new established products. They do this by determining class client needs, wants, and being moved. Then salespeople explain product features and benefit to clients and heighten their rise to the use demonstration. For example, if you know a business look for a software program that you will accounting the department manage that data and save time, you could talk about how your company's easy to use software will make the accounting stuff life easier. Since you understand the company being motivates you, you would be sure to focus on the time saving future of your products in your sales presentation. Next, last yellow line and follow is brand service process. Brand, unique design, symbol, word, or a combination of these employed in the creating an image that identifies a product and differentiates it from the competitor. Over time, this image become associated with a level credibility, quality, and sales function in the customer mind. See positioning. This brand help her her customer in crowded and complex marketing place by standing for certain benefits and value. Legal name for a brand is trademark, and when if identifies or ref, ref, reference a frame, it called a brand name. See also corporate identity. Next, in line, yellow line in service. Service is the action of doing something for someone of something. It is largely intangible. You cannot touch it. You cannot touch it. You cannot see it. You cannot taste it. You cannot hear it. You cannot feel it. So, service context creates its own service of challenge for the making of a service by drawing parallel with imaginary and ideas that are more tangible. These services are intangible and do not have a physical existence. Hence, a service cannot be touched, held, tested, or smelled. This is most defining feature of a service and that which primarily differentiates it from a product. There is the characteristic of service. Number 1. Heterogeneity or variability. Given the very nature of service, a service offering is unique and cannot be actually replicated even by the same service provider. While product can be mass products and be homogeneous, the same is not the of service. Number 2. Perishability. Service cannot be stored, saved, return on result once they have been used. One rendered to a customer, the service is completely customer and cannot be delivered to another customer. And number 3, inseparability or simultaneity or product and consumption. This refers to the fact that services are generation and customer within the same time frame. Last, in selling in green line process, set of quality control activities which transform an input into an output that is valuable to internal and or external customer of an organization. The marketing process consistent of few elements: strategic marketing analysis, marketing mix planning, marketing implementation, and marketing control. Yes. This is video or at VDB Triangle. Thanks for watching in video. I'm sorry, bad English. Thank you.